Hello everyone, we will show you how ultrasonic food cutting system can be used in cutting cakes. Ultrasonic food cutter is different from traditional cutting. Ultrasonic cutting utilizes vibration to generate energy for work, without the need for sharp edges or significant pressure, and can achieve the goal of cutting food. The cutting surface should be flat, without color shifting or slag falling. Easy to use and safe. It is suitable for cutting most foods with different thicknesses and hardness, such as toast, bread, cake, cheese, frozen foods, etc. It is also suitable for baked goods such as cream-layered cakes, sandwich mousse cakes, jujube paste cakes, steamed sandwich cakes, Napoleon, Swiss rolls, brownies, tiramisu, cheese, ham sandwich, etc. Learn more, please follow me.